These bright orange jalebis look simple, but their journey inside a factory is fascinating.
This fermented batter is the heart of jalebi. It creates that unique taste and texture. This frying step locks the shape and creates that crisp jalebi texture. This hot sugar syrup is what turns crispy jalebi into a sweet dessert. Only perfectly shaped jalebis move forward. Brilliant. Quality matters at every step.
After sealing and inspection, these jalebis are ready to travel far beyond this factory.
From simple batter to a sweet loved by millions of Fria, this journey is incredible. And that's how jalebi is made in a factory, from fermented batter to a perfectly sweet dessert.
If you enjoyed this food factory journey, subscribe for more amazing processes.